A for apple. A for ant. A for airplanes. B for ball. B for bag. B for bait. C for cat. C for car. C for crow. D for duck. D for donkey. D for dog. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fan. F for fox. I for ice cream. I for eye glow. I for ink pot. G for grapes. G for gate. G for goat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.